Are you tired of scrolling job portals? Then we have good news for you. Ireland could be your gateway to a higher paycheck. The country's job market is booming with a stellar employment rate of 73.8%. But that's not all. Ireland's corporate tax is around 12.5%, one of Europe's lowest. Come, unlock with us the highest paying jobs in Ireland. First up, management professionals can earn from 40,000 euros to 1 lakh euros, which is approximately between INR 38 lakh and 93 lakh. Next up, accountancy and finance professionals can make anywhere between 70,000 euros and 85,000 euros, which is around INR 65 lakh to 80 lakh. Lastly, IT professionals' salary can range from 70,000 euros to 1,10,000 euros, which is roughly INR 65 lakh to 1 crore. Ready to explore opportunities in Ireland? Check out our website upgrad.com to know more.